Hello everyone. In this video, we will today try to learn some important features of MS Excel. Let us begin with our first feature today. The first feature that we will talk about is consolidating data. So to first start with consolidating data, let us first learn what does it mean. Consolidating data in MS Excel means it allows us to combine information from multiple workbooks or worksheets into one place. So to understand this statement better, let us try to implement it in one practical example. So this is the Excel sheet. So in this Excel sheet, let us create or let us input some data or informations. So in this cell, we will be creating a table where the marks of unit test 1 and unit test 2 will be recorded for few students. See, the names of the students are random names you can give. I'm giving A, B, C and D, suppose. So suppose A got 67 marks and again random marks. Okay, so this we have created in sheet 1, as you can see. The same format we will create in another sheet. So let us copy this. In sheet 2, we are pasting the previous table. Let me arrange this. Okay, so now the numbers let us change. A slight change we will make. Say 68. Let it be 72 only. Let us make it 50. This suppose 55 and this suppose 70. Okay. Now consolidating data means first sheet we created something, second sheet we created the same format with different values, third sheet in another sheet, that means we want the addition or any function of these numbers with the second sheet numbers into the third one. So that will be called as consolidating data. So let us see how to do it. So to do that, first we have to click on the data tab. Next, go to consolidate. Here we have to select what function we want to do with the numbers that we have on sheet 1 and sheet 2. Let us select sum. Now we have to find out, or we have to select, or we have to specify what numbers from which sheet we want to do the sum. So first we will click on this reference button. Nothing is there. Now I'll click on sheet 1. From sheet 1, because I want everything, I'll select the complete range. And as soon as I select the complete range from sheet 1, from A1 to C5, starting from A1 to C5, everything is selected. I'll click on this again. Next I'll click on add. Now this was about the first sheet. Next we again have to do the same thing with sheet 2. So we'll again click on this. Next we'll click on sheet 2. The same thing. Select the range. Click this. Okay, done. Now in the third sheet, since I have selected the function called sum, all these numbers will be added and the same table will be displayed. Now if I want the table to be displayed, I also want the headings of the tables to be displayed, both the top row and the left column. So here I'll select the labels in top row, also the labels in the left column. After that I'll click on OK. See, this is the output. We can see sheet 1 67, sheet 2 68. So 67 plus 68 should be 135 and 135 is displayed here. Similarly, all the other values are added and the sum is displayed in the cells on the third sheet. Now, another important point, after displaying the output, if I make any changes to the previous sheets, suppose 45, I made it 40, 5 I have reduced. So, will the change be displayed in the third sheet, sorry? There is no change. In Consolidate, after the output is displayed, if any changes are made to the previous sheets, those changes will not be updated in the final sheet. I hope this is clear to you. So next, let us move to linking of worksheets. So linking of worksheets is also an important feature of MS Access. What is linking of worksheet? So linking of worksheet will bring all the data from different worksheets or workbooks into one and also update the data in our destination sheet whenever any changes to the content of a cell is made in the source sheet. Let us see this. Let us consider the previous. Now since I am done with Consolidate, I'll delete. So we will use the same tables, table 1 and table 2. So in in sheet 3, if I want to add these values, what will I do? Any cell you select, I'm only showing you how to do it. So complete table I'm not designing. I will write, suppose sum only I'll have to do. So I'll start with an equal symbol, the parenthesis, then here I have to give the reference. Sheet 1, the cell was B2. That means cell B2 of sheet 1 plus sheet 2 cell B2. Let us close it and press enter. See, it is 135 again. So this is linking of different worksheets. We are taking the numbers from sheet 1 and sheet 2 and displaying it in the third sheet. Now the same thing we did in Consolidate also. What is the difference between Consolidate and linking? Now let us see one thing. 67 and 68, total was 135. So let us make some changes here. Let us make it 70. So 70, 68. Let us see. The answer is 138. That means any change, even after the output is displayed, if any changes are made to the previous pages from where you have taken the values, those changes will be updated in linking of the worksheets together. This is the major difference between Consolidate and linking of pages. Next, let us again learn another thing that is known as goal seek. What is goal seek? Goal seek means seeking of our goal. Suppose there are few numbers here, say 98, 67, random numbers I am taking, 65, 45 and suppose 34. In this column, let us find out the sum. Equal, I can write sum. The cell, this cell is D2, so I'll start from D2, and my last cell will be D6, so I'll end in D6. So let us find out. See, our output is 309. That means if I add all these numbers, my sum is 309. Suppose the total of these 5 numbers I want it to be 350. That is my required number. Now to make the output 350, I need to make changes in these numbers. Either I need to increase or I need to decrease. So what I can do is, I can do this adjustment of the numbers using goal-seek what if analysis. So to do that, what we will do is select the output, go to data, what if analysis, goal-seek. So in this goal-seek, in cell D7, we have to set the new value. The new value will be, as I told you, I want the output to be 350. Now to make it 350, some changes we have to do in these previous 5 numbers. I can change it. I can change any one number now. Let us change this 45. So to change this 45, we'll click here. We will write down the name of the cell. Say D5. This is D5, as you can see. Column D, 5th number row. So D5. It was 45. So to make 350, the value of 45 will be adjusted. Let us click OK and OK. See, now 45 has been changed to 86 to make the output 350. So this is goal-seek. The last topic that we will learn today is about hyperlink. So what is hyperlink? So hyperlink means staying in one place. When I click on a word or another letter or a number, I will be taken to another sheet of the same worksheet. So to do that, suppose let us write click. So whenever I click on this click, I will move to one of the sheets of sheet 1 or sheet 2. If I click here, nothing is happening because I did not set it in a hyperlink status. So how to create that? Click on insert hyperlink. When I click on hyperlink, the text to display that I wrote on the cell was click. Now from here I'll link in the same document, so I'll have to click place in the document. 3 sheets are available: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 is displayed here. So whenever I click on that click word, to which sheet I want to move, I have to select that. Let us select sheet 1 and click OK. Now see, as soon as the steps are completed, my click word became blue and an underline is there. This is the indication that the click word is hyperlinked now, or it is a hypertext. So let us click on click now. See, we are on sheet 1. So I hope this video will be helpful and useful to you. Till then, we will learn some more features in the next video. So till then, we'll stop here. Have a great day. Thank you.